Alright, this is going to be a rather quick and short video, but here we have this Westclox Moonbeam alarm clock. I'm not sure how old it is. I guess 60s, maybe 50s. It's a pretty neat piece. I've never actually, well, I've seen these, but I've never actually owned one. I picked it up at a flea market a couple weekends ago. Paid 25 bucks for it. I thought it was honestly kind of worth it because I've seen these go for a lot of money, a lot more than that on eBay and whatever. But I mean, eBay's not really a place you should, justify pricing, but I've seen these go for a lot of money. It's a pretty neat piece though. It has a light bulb in it that flashes when the alarm is set, which we'll show in a minute. But here's your information if you can read it. It's a Moonbeam model S5-J, 115 volts, 60 cycles, 2 watts. Made in the USA, UL approved. To reset signal, tilt backwards. Huh, that's how it works. And that is for the light bulb. There's an alarm there, and that's to set the alarm. The alarm works, but the light bulb only works part of the time. I don't know if there's like it's acting like there's a short to it, which there may as well be, but I don't know. I don't really want to tear it apart too much because I'm not sure how it works exactly, but it does work pretty good. You can set the time and whatever. It goes. Go back to like, say 3 o'clock. And then you set the alarm with this thing, which is at 3 o'clock. And according to what I've read, the light bulb is supposed to flash with the alarm, but this one only does it part of the time. I don't know why. I don't know. Maybe someone can help me in the comments, but for now, there's the Westclox Moonbeam clock. Hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.